Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie. If you guys are new here, in today's video I'm going to be doing another synthetic wig review. This wig is by FREETRESS, and I feel like it's been such a long time since I reviewed any unit by this company, and lately they have been releasing some bangers, so I decided to pick up Miss May, which is what you are seeing here. So if you guys want to hear all of the tea, and I will let you know whether I think you should purchase or pass, let's go ahead and get into today's video. As I mentioned, this wig is by FREETRESS in the style May, and I have it in a color number 2. This is a part of their Natural Me texturized hair that blends effortlessly HD lace front wig collection. I think this is a new collection, and yeah, I ain't mad at it. Let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing for this wig, and then I'll be back to give you guys my full review.
I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel how it feels, babe? Won't you love me?
Hey guys, what's up? It's Cassie with a brief reminder that if that subscribe button down below is still red, that means you have not subscribed to my channel, and I would love to have you a part of the fam. If you like crochet hairstyles, wigs, natural hair, lifestyle, cleaning, vlogs, I got you. Go ahead and click the bell and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload from me, and that's it. Enjoy the rest of today's video. We're back, and I decided to leave it as a side part because as soon as I shifted this wig, I was like, oh, she's cute, and we're gonna stick with this, okay? So I love that you can shift it if you don't want to wear this wig as a middle part. You don't have to. You can shift it to the left or to the right if you want, and you don't have to have that awkward uneven length in the front, which nobody wants. I'm gonna just let y'all know I ain't got no cons, so we're just gonna talk about this wig, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm feeling. I, right off the bat, was in love with the cap construction. Y'all know I have a big head, and this cap has a lot of stretch and a lot of give, and it feels really comfortable on my big head, okay? And I'm here for it. As far as the lace goes, now it's not truly HD, but it's not super ashy and white, which I really liked. And all I did was go in with my bronzer, as you guys saw, and added a little bit of tint to the lace. I didn't feel like I needed to go in with my tint spray because you only get about 2 inches of lace, and that's it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just apply some powder and keep it pushing, and it did the trick. This texture, y'all, is bomb. Like, this doesn't feel super dry. She's a little bit dry, I'm not gonna lie to you, but she's not like Janet Collection's Jode dry. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice, soft, blowout texture. She does have a little bit of tangling going on, but nothing major. I'm talking about 1 or 2 little snags. You know what I'm saying? Like, easily you can work through that with your fingers, which I really like. These curls are really soft and bouncy, and I was a little bit worried that once I went in with my paddle brush, I was like, you know what? I hope I don't mess this wig up and it poofs out, but it doesn't. And she's giving body. You know who she reminds me of? She reminds me of Outre's Audrina. But if you liked that wig but want it in a natural texture, a more blown out texture, this is what this is giving without those awkward curls, because Audrina had some awkwardness going on with those curls going every which way. This is gorgeous. If I had to pick out one minor detail that I don't really agree with, is that it's pre-plucked. It's like pre-plucked in the baby hair section, you know what I'm saying? But as I will show you guys here in this close-up, you don't get very much lace, and it's not pre-plucked in the hairline aspect. It's more pre-plucked in the baby hair line, if that makes any type of sense. If you want to blend this in with your edges, you definitely could. With this texture, I feel like that is a plus. And if you don't want to, you definitely don't have to. I'm not blending out my edges for this wig. It is sitting right on my hairline and she's still looking good. I love this length. It's a nice, natural, everyday length. On me, it's sitting at about 16, 18 inches, maybe about 16 with these curls. She thick with 2 C's, okay? So given that we are transitioning into the warmer months, she is going to be hot, especially with this texture. There is a lot of density. She is a high density wig. So I feel like this is more like date night rather than like a running errands type of wig. You know what I'm saying? Especially for me, if you live in the South like I do, it is hot out here, okay? I don't really think that I'm gonna pop this wig on and run to Target, but if I'm going out, you know, to dinner or for a look, she's that girl. And this price, very affordable. She is under $30. I purchased this wig off of Wig Types. I will leave a generic link down below if you want to purchase her for yourself. I have a couple other FREETRESS wigs on the way for you guys. If you guys are interested, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. And yeah, I definitely recommend that you run out and purchase Miss May, especially if you could not get your hands on Audrina and you like this yucky blown out texture. May is the girl for you, and I mean, the proof is in the pudding. She's cute. I'm really feeling myself. I'm about to take some pictures for Instagram and flex. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If I forgot to mention anything or if you guys have any other questions, be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And I will see you guys in my very next upload, which will be very, very soon. Bye!